So, what do you think, Professor Malcolm?
That's a really important question.
That's why I'm here.
The best way, the only way really, to know God better is become one of Jesus' disciples.
I know Jesus had 12 disciples that were his trusted friends. Is it like that?
We can be disciples too. A disciple is someone who follows someone else, gets to know them, and tries to live like them.
There's that word know.
Yes, Jesus' disciples know him. The more time you follow Jesus, the better you will know him.
But how do I get to know him?
You need to use the right tools.
I don't understand.
Let me ask you this. If I wanted to study and find all of that bacteria and other organisms living in my cup of coffee,
Ew!
what instrument would I use?
The microscope. It makes tiny things like bacteria look bigger.
That's right. And the more powerful the microscope, the better I can see.
But Jesus isn't tiny like bacteria. Is he?
No, but there are still tools we can use to help us see him.
Like what?
Like prayer, talking with Jesus. Like worship, celebrating Jesus.
Like reading the Bible.
We can really get to know Jesus very well by doing those things.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos from the Konnect crew.